Hello everyone, welcome all of you in my YouTube चैनल रुद्रा स्टडी सर्कल। मेरे YouTube चैनल रुद्रा स्टडी सर्कल में आप लोगों का स्वागत है। इन दिस वीडियो आई एम गोइंग टू एक्सप्लेन एरर फंक्शन। एरर फंक्शन इज वेरी स्पेशल टाइप ऑफ फंक्शन that is coming from a normal distribution in probability theory. So this is the, let us see what is the definition of error function. So the notation of error function will be AERF of x will be 2 by root pi 0 to x e power minus t square dt. So this is your error function definition. Fine. So now what are the properties we have? So first property we have, error function is odd function. Error function is odd function. Odd function means f of minus x equal to minus of f, right? If you replace x by minus x, so we get minus of f of x. So let us see for this one. So error function of minus x equal to 2 by root pi 0 to minus x e power minus t square dt. Fine. Now again we need to change in error function. So here we have minus x won't work. So what we do, we'll take t equal to, we define one new variable u equal to minus t. So what is the limits when t equal to 0? T equal to 0, u equal to 0 and t equal to minus x. So t equal to minus x. So your u equal to, so u equal to x, right? And dt equal to minus du. It's very simple. So we get 2 by root pi 0 to x e power minus u and dt equal to minus u square, here we have, right? Yeah. So u square and du. So this will be minus 2 by root pi 0 to x e power minus u square du. So what is this? This is your error function, right? So this will be your minus of error function of x. So error function of minus x equal to minus of error function of x. So this so that error function is a odd function, right? Okay. Second property we have, error function of 0 will be 0. This is the obvious result, because error function of 0 will be 2 by root pi 0 to 0 e power minus t square dt. Any integral from 0 to 0 will be 0, right? Second one, next we have error function of infinity equal to 1. Let us see how we get error function of infinity will be 1. So using the definition of error function, so error function of infinity will be 2 by root pi 0 to infinity e power minus t square dt, right? So this integral already I have solved in my previous video using the gamma function. So gamma function, gamma n equal to 0 to infinity e power x power n minus 1 e power minus x dx, right? This one already we have solved. So here we see something like u power minus t square. So t square won't work. We need e power minus u. So what we do here, I'll take some u equal to t square. So 2t dt equal to du. So dt equal to du by 2t and t equal to root u. So we get 1 by 2 u power minus half du. Fine. And limit when t equal to 0, u equal to 0, t equal to infinity, u equal to infinity. So we get 2 by root pi, fine, 0 to infinity e power minus u and 1 by 2 of u power minus half du, right? So this I can write 2 to cancel, 1 upon root pi and 0 to infinity and u power I can write n minus 1. So I can write half minus 1 e power minus u du. See, we got that gamma function form, right? This is the gamma half, and gamma half equal to root pi. So we get 1 upon root pi and gamma half equal to root pi. So root pi cancel, we get the 1. So error function of infinity equal to 1. Fine. Error function of infinity equal to 1. So this was the property we have. Now we will see the series expansion of error function. How we can have the series expansion of error function of x. So it's very simple. We will have error function of x will be 2 by root pi and 0 to x, and this is the exponential minus x. So this will be 1 minus t square by factorial 1 plus t power 4 by factorial 2 t power 6 by factorial 3 plus dot 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 dt, right? Okay. Now we integrate. So 2 by root pi, and if you integrate, so we get t minus t cube by 3 into factorial 1 plus t power 5 by 5 factorial 2 minus t power 7 by 7 factorial 3 plus dot dot limit from 0 to x. So this will be your 2 by root pi and x minus x cube by 3 into factorial 1 plus x power 5 by 5 into factorial 2 x power 7 by 7 into factorial 3 plus dot dot dot. So this is your series expansion of error function of x, right? 2 by root pi x minus x cube by 3 into factorial 1 plus x power 5 by 5 into factorial 2 minus x power 7 by 7 into factorial 3 plus dot dot dot, right? Okay. So this was the series expansion of error function of x. Now sometime the question will be find the error function of 0.5 using the series expansion. So what is that? Error function of 0.5. So in the series expansion, in the place of x we'll put that 0.5. So we get 2 by root pi, and we have x equal to 0.5, right, minus x cube by 3 into factorial 1. So 0.5 cube by 3 into factorial 1 means 1 only. So I can write 3 here plus 0.5 power 5 by 5 into factorial 2 minus 0.5 power 7 by 7 into factorial 3 plus dot dot dot. So this is the series expansion of error function of 0.5. So if you see these terms are tends to 0. If you simplify 0.000 this, so let us see. So we get 2 by root pi and 0.5 minus, if you simplify this 0.5 cube by 3, so we get 0.0416, okay, plus if you get this term, so we have 0.00325 minus, if you simplify this term, so we get 0.00018. So we can neglect next term because that is coming almost 0 only. So if you simplify, so we get 0.5204. So error function of 0.5 will be 0.5204. Fine. So this was the property of error function and expansion of error function. And next we have complementary error function. Next we have complementary error function. Complementary error function. So notation will be error function of Cx will be 2 by root pi x to infinity e power minus t square dt. This is your complementary error function. So the relation between error function and complementary error function will be error function of x plus complementary error function will be 1. Let us see how it is coming. So this we are going to establish. So error function of infinity equal to 1, this we know, right? Okay, so 2 by root pi 0 to infinity e power minus t square dt equal to 1. Fine. Okay, so if you proceed that, so this integral will go 0 to x and x to infinity. So 2 by root pi 0 to x e power minus t square dt plus 2 by root pi x to infinity e power minus t square dt equal to 1. So this is your error function, this is your complementary error function. So error function of x plus error function of complementary function equal to 1. So error function of x will be 1 minus error function of x. Complementary error function of equal to 1 minus error function. So this was the relation between error function and complementary error function. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.